Hello, hello, hello. It's Anne Lewis, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, based on the Sunshine Coast here in Queensland, Australia. I'm passionate about card making and scrapbooking and hold local classes on the Sunshine Coast. This is my number 2 quickie. Well, that's not what I should be saying. Number 2 5-minute craft quickie. That's far better. And I'm going to be showing you how to make these cards in less than 5 minutes. So let's get going. They're the same design, they've just been flipped. Well, flipped, then you'll see how they work. Okay, let's get going. Now I'm using Reindeer Days Designer Series paper. I had some left over after my shares, so I thought I would use this paper. And I'll just give you a really quick look at it. You see, it's just pretty. It's nothing. It's not a classic Christmas paper, but I love it because it's kind of cute and happy. So it's got reindeer on it, and I've used some of these papers already. And so I have picked this design for today, and my card base is going to be now. Oh, I should just say, this card is designed so you can make lots of them using all the products in your stash, so you can use your own designer series paper and your own stamps. Don't need any special ingredients. So my card base is 5.5 inches by 8.25 inches. I've picked Whisper White so I don't have to put a card insert, which just speeds things up. Now my designer series paper is going to be, so this is my designer series paper, is going to be 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. Now this pattern naturally runs from left, from, if I turn it this way, from left to right. So let's cut it. So I need the length, the long length, because I'm going to make it a landscape card, to be 4 3/4. Oh, sorry. Down this way needs to be 4 3/4 and 3 1/4 wide. So let's cut that. As I said, this is such a quick card. So 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. I think I've probably got that around right. Oh, I've got it pretty good. Okay, so there we go. It's nice and cute. So this paper's got reindeers on the other side. Then I'm going to cut off 1 1/8 inch. Now I can make a decision. I think I like the bottom 1/8. So I'm just cutting off 1/8 of an inch. All right, easy as. So we're going to put those two sides apart. Now this paper is perfect for this design because both sides coordinate. And most Stampin' Up papers, both sides of the designer series paper coordinates. Now I've just scored at 4 1/8, so that just makes my card holding a lot easier. I'll then grab my bone folder. Do this, and then I'm cutting some contrasting cardstock, and my contrasting cardstock is going to be 5 inches. Hopefully I've got 5 inches on this scrap. I just grabbed a scrap out of my scrap basket, which these cards are perfect for that. Unless you're making lots, then go for a full piece, and then that saves you a bit of time because you can cut a whole sheet. Bang, bang, and you got it done. So this is 3 5/8. So 5 inches by 3 5/8. Now, simple as, I'm going to grab some multi-purpose glue. Now remember, mine's going sideways. So I use multi-purpose glue because I find it quicker and easier. I see I'm just about need a new trimmer. There we go. Then this is going to be my top layer. So I'll stick that down as well. kind of, sometimes you've got to fiddle which side you're going to make the feature or the most of it showing. Then this one I'm just going to put down there. See how quick and easy this is. Now the secret to this, there is a little secret when you cut your cardstock like this, is you want that border, and that border to all be equal. And then when you, it says Anne, I'm just going to shift that just a smidgen. And then this one, where you place this one, and that one are all going to be equal. Then I just need a piece of cardstock. Oh, I had it right here. And it's warped. So I've got a piece of cardstock here somewhere that I can use. This will do. So I'm going to use some real red ink because it matches this card. Stamp my sentiment here. Now I'm using a current sentiment from the Decorative Trees stamp set. You can use whatever you've got at home. This is just a great way of getting some quick cards done. Close it up. And I'm grabbing my trimmer. Now I could use a punch if I had a punch, but I don't have a punch specifically for this one. So let's make it simple for everybody. We've all got paper trimmers. Let's get this nice and straight. There we go. So keeping it simple. Then I'm just going to pop that. Now I get to choose where I pop it. Now I could layer it if I wanted to, but I'm not really wanting to. I want to keep this simple, but I am going to pop it up. But you don't even have to pop it up with dimensionals. You could just glue it straight down. I don't want to hide any of those little deer, antelope, deer. What are they? I don't know. So I'm going to drop that there. How cute is that? And then on the inside, I've got this really nice stamp set. Now this is from a retired set that I love. The greatest part of Christmas. It's been around for ages, but it is retired, so you can't get it. But I wanted this sentiment because you never know. Oh, I wish I hadn't shut that down. You never know when you're sending cards who's going to have a fabulous happy Christmas, or whether they're going to be spending it by themselves, or they're not catching up their family. So I try to do some very generic cards that are suitable no matter what your Christmas is like. So this one says, thinking of you at Christmas. Now, if I wanted to, I could actually add a little strip of cardstock, but I'm going to keep it really simple. And there's my 5-minute card. 5-minute card. It did take a little longer than that, but not much. And if you're doing these in bulk, you can just line them up. But it's really, really cute. I'll just show you the others. Now, some of these sentiments work better than others. I have to say I like the white base rather than the coloured base, but this is what I like. So thank you very much. Now, if you do need any supplies to make your Christmas cards, don't forget I've got an online store. All these products are available from my online store, or anything you need to stock up with. I will put the link to my online store in the link below. Bye for now. Happy crafting. I hope you get started on your Christmas cards soon.